Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install apps that are blocked by Smart App Control on Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu and type Windows Security. Open the Windows Security app from the search results. Once it opens, look for the option called App and Browser Control and click on it. Now, find the section called Smart App Control. Click on Smart App Control Settings. Here, you will see different options. Select off to disable Smart App Control. After turning it off, try installing the app again. It should now install without being blocked. Keep in mind that once you turn off Smart App Control, you cannot turn it back on unless you reinstall Windows. So only do this if you are sure the app is safe. If you are not ready to fully disable it, there is another option you can use. In the Smart App Control settings, choose Evaluation Mode instead of Off. This allows Windows to monitor apps and learn your usage without blocking them immediately. This option is useful if you want more flexibility while still keeping some level of protection. Thanks for watching.